Hello everybody! Today we are going to be doing a new video, a new series, no more Adopt Me, no more Roblox. We're going to be playing Crimson Forest. So how did I get this game is from Scratch. Now Scratch is not a game, but it's a program. And it's program you can create animations and also games of your own. And you can also make arts. Anyways, let's start with the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and today this is Scratch is sponsored for this video. So yeah. Love the music. Oh, okay. Oh no. No! This is really hard. No! It's always hard. No! Yay! Okay, good, there's a checkpoint. Wait, where do you go? Hey, go. This is really hard. I think we're supposed to like go on top of these clouds. Yo, I'm like not dying right now. This is really easy. Like, how hard was this? Oh, it's this way. Oh, okay, I get it now. Really easy. Gotta jump. And then go this way and then... You can do this, you can do this. Actually, I need some chips for some reason. Sorry if I was AFK. How do you jump? They're really hard. Alright guys, I'm going to end this game because, like, you know. That's my favorite, but not really that favorite. Anyways, I'm going to play another game. Games. So you win. Wait, which one? Okay. So I'm playing Controls Start. I don't know if that's even a real name, but who knows? Let's play it. Let's see this controls. Player 1, blah, 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 blah. Alright. Got it. How do you go back? Start. Am I shooting? How do you move? Oh, it's like... why there's a page like that? Who needs pages like these? Am I never gonna be dead at this game? I don't know. This game is pretty quiet. Not the game I'm looking for, but let's explore. Where was that game called Crimson? Yeah, that one. That one. Pretty perfect game. I think. Do we have to restart? Oh, press please. How do you jump? This game is more than Cool Rage. No! God damn it. And guys, I can't make this video longer. Please subscribe, like, share, give it a big thumbs up. Bye. Say hello. Say bye bye. Bye bye. He's gonna do the victory dance, which we did last time. That's his victory dance. Oh yeah. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and like, share, give it a big thumbs up. Bye! Bye-bye!